Okay, so this whole trip starts with an itinerary. You're gonna plan out your trip. You need to go to 2 places for each of your 3 countries. So that is 6 places total, okay? 6, don't do 9, do 6. I've got a great example here with 3 for 1 country, but you're just gonna do 2 for each country. And you should check this out. This is really cool what she went and did here in terms of where she's staying. Think about how you want to get around. Is it like a rickshaw or a snowmobile or a touring van? And then think about when you're going there. And Leave has listed some great reasons here by doing just like very quick research. This is what the form looks like. It should be fun to complete, and you can pull in some info from your research to date. This is step 2, the country worksheet. You'll do this for each of your 3 countries. And for each of these 3 countries, you'll go peek at that research dashboard in the class slides to go dig into all those different sources to learn some basic facts about your place. So you want to get some key facts or vital statistics, 7 or more, to get some basic background info about your destination. And it can be any of these. We've given you a bunch of choices, and you can pick them. They can be the same or different for each of your 3 countries. You get to decide. I've seen it done well both ways. But ultimately, for each of these countries, you'll produce a 3 to 5 sentence paragraph. That's what you're going to produce with this. Okay, step 3 is the site visit worksheet. This is where you'll use UNESCO, the research dashboard, and Google to research 6 sites, so 2 per country. And you need to have a mix of natural, cultural, and historical sites. You will eventually write a few sentences about each site in your script. And so the idea here is to type the country name, type the site name, and then think through these other pieces here. You're going to do that for each of 6 sites. 1, 2 for country 1, 3, 4 for country 2, 5, 6 for country 3.